All right, for websites, there's actually a few types. There's something that we call a landing page, which is like a simple one-page website. It's just there to generate leads and stuff like that. Then there's something called as corporate websites. So corporate website is actually the main purpose of it is actually to provide information about a company or a business and stuff like that. So these websites that you see that has the home page, about us, contact us, our mission, our vision, all this sort of information, they are usually classified as corporate websites. And then we have an e-commerce website. E-commerce website is where someone can actually buy things from you. So there's transactions going on in between the website owner and also the potential customers and stuff like that. So there can be a lot of features that we can put into e-commerce website that can really help out the business. If you're actually looking to sell online, you'll need a e-commerce website compared to a corporate website. If you're just building a presence, online presence and stuff like that, you want your customers to be able to like, hey, yeah, this company exists online, so they definitely exist, right? So if you want your customers to know you exist in online, then it's a corporate website. So that's the main difference between the corporate website and an e-commerce website. Okay, cheap website packages. Actually, I would say cheap or expensive is a matter of perspective. Everyone have their perspective on these pricing sort of things, right? So for us, I won't say we are cheap or I won't say we are expensive. We are just like our pricing is quite standard in the market, I would say. Now, whether you should go for the cheap package or not, it actually depends on you. You should always ask, what am I going to get from this? Because it always comes back to the question, right? ROIs, return of investments. So you need to ask, what are the deliverables for the websites? You need to ask, what are the deliverables for this package, this so-called cheap packages? Because if they're not going to deliver the things that you actually require, then it doesn't really make sense to go for those packages. But if you can find somewhere else that actually delivers what you need but higher price, at the same moment, at the same point, this thing that you really want can actually deliver a lot of potential for your business in the future, then it makes more sense. If you know you can get the return of investment, it makes more sense. It's not always about cutting costs. It's not always about like getting the cheapest one. It's about getting what's right for you. It doesn't make sense for you to get the most expensive package to build a website for you, and then you're not going to get a return of investment from that as well. So you need to find the one that suits your budget and the things that you're trying to accomplish, because sometimes you're trying to accomplish something that's really out of the scope. So just you should survey around to see who can really give you the best return of investment for the price that they give you. All right, mobile app. It's one of my favorite things about tech, right? All right, you already have an e-commerce website, which means you already have customers buying from you. There's online transactions happening and stuff like that, right? So think, every time you want to market something, how are you actually reaching a customer? How are you reaching a customer who already purchased from you? And how are you going to reach your potential customers? Now, potential customers, there's definitely a lot of ways. Having an app can also help you to increase your visibility, because there's not a lot of businesses who actually have a mobile app. So it helps your visibility to a certain extent. Like, this company have a mobile app, so the visibility is there. Second thing is, it's easiest to send notification. Like mobile apps, they send push notification so that their customers, the potential customers, can know what promotion is going on or what kind of events is happening and stuff like that. Who doesn't have Shopee and Lazada in their phones, right? Nowadays, Shopee and Lazada is like a staple app in our phones, and every time they send notification, you'll hear this Shopee sound. Shopee. I don't know how the sound goes like, but you'll hear, and then that actually builds the branding of your business as well. When people think of this sound, think of Shopee. So that's another aspect of the mobile app. It helps with branding immensely. It really helps out a lot. Plus, it's more convenient compared to like a website. So if I'm going to buy things from Shopee, right? If I'm just going to the website, means I need to type in the URL domain name like shopee.com, and then I need to go there, and then I need to like log in, and then I need to like a lot of searching and stuff like that. But compared to like mobile apps, it's already there. I just need to open the app. I already stored my details, so it's easier. But be what, mobile apps are actually, it's more difficult to acquire new customers through mobile app compared to like website. So my advice to people who don't have a website is always to get a e-commerce website or like a website, so that you can actually bring forward those group of customers to the mobile app, so that you can actually use the mobile app primarily for retention and recurring purchases compared to like the first time purchases. So if you already have an e-commerce website, the next stage is logically to actually get an app that will help you in the long run to establish branding, to increase average value of order value, and also customer lifetime value. Thank you for watching that video, everyone. If you like that video, click the thumbs up button below, and also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all the information that we're going to share in the future regarding all these websites and mobile apps and web systems and stuff like that, to help you to improve your business and bring your business to the next level. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask the questions below in the comments there. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video.